Hello friends, welcome to a new session of Scratch programming. So in the last session we have stopped at the operators, so we'll be continuing with the similar session. We have seen arithmetic operators, relational operators and logical operators to make use of them in the Scratch programming. Now in this session we are going to see the remaining operators, how to use them. Okay, let's see. So let's revise. These are the arithmetic operators, then we have seen random numbers, then we have seen the relational operators, then we have seen logical operators, and now let's continue. Now we'll see few more operations that we can perform here in Scratch. Okay, so the next one is join. So let's take it out. Join apple banana. So apple is called as a string, banana is also a string. So if these two strings I'll be connecting together with the help of this statement. Okay, so when I connect apple and banana, see what I got? Apple banana. Okay, so in this way they will be connected together and we'll find a connected string over there. Here I got a space, I'll just delete this space and now let's see, click apple banana. So anything, if you want to combine something like hello and Scratch, okay, join hello Scratch. So click, they will be connected together. So two things, two different values, if you want to combine together, that's done with the help of this particular operator whose name is join. Okay, so as you can observe again, this is a rounded rectangle, so anything can be put inside this particular rounded rectangle also. Okay, now the next one, letter 1 of apple. So in this particular word or in this particular string, which is the first letter present? Letter 1. See, letter 1 is A. So I can just modify this. Letter 4 of apple. So letter 4 of apple is L, like this. Okay, I want to change this one. Letter 4 of Maharashtra. Okay, so let's see this one. It is A, like this. Okay, you can extract that, the respective letter number, and that we can get out there. Now I want to say something and I want to add this to the effect of this sprite. So let's do this one. Let's go to look. Okay, so say something. What you have to say? Okay, say this. Say letter 4 of Maharashtra for 2 seconds. See, what is that? A, he is telling this one here. So whenever you require to make use of this particular values of operators, so we can make use of this. Okay, so letter 4 of the respective name there. Okay, let's go ahead. Now length. The length of any particular string or the word can be found with the help of this operator, length. Length of apple. How many characters the particular apple word is containing is given by the length operator here. So let's see how to use length operator. Click 5. How many letters are there? 5. Okay, so let's see length of any particular word also we can apply. See, length of Pune. How much is that? 4. Okay, like this. So in this way we can identify how many characters the respective letter or respective word is containing. That is a count. Okay, length of the respective word can be found, and that also we can add anywhere that you require. For example, inside this length I want to add some numbers. Okay, I want to add the length of Pune and length of Mumbai. How to? See, I'll just make use of this here. Okay, now make use of another. See, length of Pune and length of Mumbai. Okay, so length of Pune is 4, length of Mumbai is 6. Okay, so let's drag, drop, this drag, drop. Okay, so I got this length of Pune plus length of Mumbai. How much? Yes, 10. In this way. So in this way we can make the combinations of the operators. Okay, so length operator is used to find how many characters the respective string, respective word is containing. Okay, now next to that we have the contains, so you can observe the shape of this. Shape is diamond hexagonal shape. It means that it is a condition. It can show the output in the form of either false or true. Okay, so it checks that whether the word apple contains a or not. You know that apple contains a, yeah, true, correct. Similar to that, you have to check whether apple contains y. Containing? No, false. That's why the output is false. So it does not contain the letter y. That's why the output is false. Okay. So in this way we can make use of these particular operators, or here this is also changeable. If I want to add something, some different name there, like scratch contains y, false. Okay, scratch contains s, check it, true. Scratch is present there, so s is small in scratch and here the s is capital, so it doesn't matter whether you use uppercase or lowercase. It is case insensitive programming language. Okay, that's why it is matching upper and lower cases both. Okay, now let's go for the next one. So before performing, I'll just delete all these blocks. Okay, now mod is also one of the kind of operator which is like arithmetic operators. Okay, as we are aware about the division operation, so division operation contains two outputs. First is the quotient and second is the remainder. Okay, so let's see this. For example, if I write something 12 mod 5, say I got 2. What's the meaning of this 2? 2 is the remainder of the division. It is the remainder of the division. So when you divide 12 divided by 5, 12 divided by 5 is quotient is 2 and remainder is also 2. Remember, if I make this as 13 divided by 5, okay, so remainder is 3. So mod operator is used to set the remainder of the operations of the division operation basically. So it gets divided and then after that we are getting the remainder of the division. Okay, so let's add the division operation here. This is called a division operation. Okay, so division is 13 divided by 5, see 2.6. It is division and this is remainder. Okay, so remainder of the division will be given by the mod operator, mod. Okay, let's go for the next round. Rounding of a decimal number is done with the help of this operator, rounding of decimal number. For example, my number is 23.69. okay, let's round it 24. Okay, so if you are knowing the rounding, if the value after the dot is above 5, then it will be rounded to the next number. So 23.69, 69 is above 50, that's why. If I write 23.39, okay, so this number is 23. It's rounded below because the 39 is below 50. If it is above 50, we'll go to the next number. Okay, that's what the concept called as rounding. Okay, so rounding up and rounding down. Okay, so rounding of the number can be done by using this particular operator here. Now let's check the last one. This is just like different other operation that we can do on a number. How to? I'll just click on this pop-up window. See, many operation we can see in this. Okay, which are that? ABS means absolute value, floor, ceiling, SQRT, sine, cos, tan, assign, then a cos, then a tan, then ln, that is your inverse logarithmic, then logarithm, e raised to 10 raised to. These are the complex arithmetic operations actually that we can do. Let's try this one by one. Absolute value of minus 56. See, 56. Negative values are not considered here in ABS. Then we got the floor. If a floor is connected with the floating point numbers, so let's see this 56.78, floor of 56.78 is 56. So it is truncating the number directly, that is floor. Ceiling, okay, it's 57. It is rounding up to the next number when using ceiling of it. Okay, then SQRT stands for square root. So this is the square root of 56.78. So square root of the number can be found with the help of SQRT. Then sine. So if you are aware about sine, cos, tan, a sine, a cos, like, so then you can make use of it. So these are the trigonometric operations which are present into the trigonometry in the arithmetic. So if you want to work, I'll just show one of them. Sine of 56 is 0.83. So if you want to check, you can check this cos, tan, a sine, a cos also, and logarithmic e raised to and 10 raised to. I'll just show you this one, 10 raised to. 10 raised to 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 2 is 100. 10 into 10. 10 raised to 3. 10 into 10 into 10. 1000, like this. So raised to operation is controlled with the help of the last 10 raised to only, not the remaining one. So this is how the arithmetic, logical, relational and the string based operations we can do by this set of operators in the Scratch programming language. So you can just perform these operations of your own and check the output of this. Happy programming. Thank you.